To set up custom keyboard theme called Keys Caffe, first of all, we'll need to open the Samsung Galaxy Store, where we'll be able to download an app called Good Look. And here it is. I've already downloaded the app. You will need to download it if you don't have it. Now we can open it, and from here, make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up, and go for Keys Caffe and click on the download button next to it. It's just the button right here, but it needs to be next to the Keys Caffe. And now we can select the app and make sure to also allow any permissions that will pop up, otherwise it won't work. Now we can make our own keyboard. So click on this button right there, and for the English input, we can, for example, go with that preset, but you can go with a different preset if you like by clicking on the plus button, and then you can edit it however you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.